In this video, I will show you a useful way on how you can use Loan Modification Enterprise to manage your client's documents and other different files. Once you open the software, the Loan Mod Pro Enterprise will look like this. You can add a client by clicking Insert. Go ahead and insert some of the pertaining information and then press OK. After you have entered a client, you will see him here in the Pipeline Viewer section. If you want to use your own forms, or you want to load documents pertaining to this client into the software and save it for later use, and also to stay organized, you can use the useful Document Storage feature. If you see here the Notes tab, to the right of it are two arrows. These arrows you can use to move between the different tabs. Go ahead and click the tab to open up the other two tabs, which are the Other Property and the Document Storage tab. And using the Document Storage tab, you can load documents pertaining to your client. Anything from Excel files with calculations to specific forms, to specific loan mod forms, to the forms that perhaps you want to use, your own specific forms that you use when doing a loan modification or processing or any other thing related to any financial services pertaining to this client. You can actually load them into Document Storage. You can also load contracts and any other documents as well. In this example, I will show you how to load different documents into Document Storage and save them for your client. If you go back to the specific email that we sent you when you purchased the product, you can see here the different links for the package, the software package that you ordered. Many of the bonus products are in the bonus products file. The specific loan mod forms can be downloaded, as well as some of the other tools. I have already downloaded some of these products on my desktop. For example, if I wanted to use a specific loan mod form, which I've already downloaded and put on my desktop, I would click on the folder, and as you can see, I have all the most of the lenders' specific loan modification forms in each folder. For example, if I wanted to use B of A, I could just simply click on the PDF form, open it up into the fill here. I could fill out the information, save it on my desktop or anywhere else you'd like to save it. Again, the personal budget worksheet. I can fill it out right on my computer, save a copy in a folder, or in this example I will save it on my desktop for your convenience. Exit out. So you can see I have these two files here on my computer. I'd like to save these in the software to allow me to stay organized. So I would go back into the software. I would open up I would select which client I would like to load these documents for, and then go to Document Storage. I simply click Insert, and for example, I would just put the document name here. Perhaps I can just put Loan Mod Forms, Loan Mod Form 1. Then click Load Document, and go ahead and find where that file is. And I click Load, then click Save. And as you can see here, the document is loaded right into the software. Now I have this document here for this specific client separate in Document Storage. So when I click on this particular client, I have his document here loaded separate. I can add another client in here, and I can do the same, and his documents will be separate from this specific client. As you can see here, I loaded the document and it's saved right there. I can go back to my desktop, and perhaps I'd like to do an NPV calculation. So I would open up a spreadsheet or any tool that you might have that does this specific calculation. I would go ahead and enter in the numbers for the client, go through it, and then save this particular spreadsheet on my desktop. Okay. Then I can go back and load it right into the software. Go ahead and fix this. I would go to Document Storage and click Insert. Document name, I could just put my NPV calculations for this example. Click Load Document. Go ahead and locate where you saved the file. And click Save. Now I have this particular NPV calculation saved right into Document Storage. As you can see, this is a very useful feature. It can help you organize your client's documents in a very organized fashion. Again, you can use your own loan modification forms or your own spreadsheets or any other tool or document and load it into the software specific for each of your clients. You can use this software as a way to stay organized and use your own forms and your other spreadsheets or tools and load them for each client separately in the software. Then you can use the notes feature to add your specific notes and stay organized and keep track of the entire process. Again, you can use the specific loan mod forms that we provide you or use your own forms. You can load them up on your computer, fill them out right on your computer. Save them right on your computer. Then go back in the software and load it into Document Storage. You can also delete files that you put in here. You can also view them by clicking View. It'll open it up once you click View in whatever program. So for example, if it's an Excel spreadsheet, you click View, it'll open it up in Excel. As you can see here, I just clicked View and it came up for me. This is a great way for you to use your own specific documents, for you to load documents into Document Storage, and to stay organized for you and your entire process, to help your clients and to help you. Please feel free to email the contact email and ask any questions that you may have. Thank you.